Welcome to Cyprus. Oh. It's December the 27th, day after Boxing Day, and we arrived in Cyprus yesterday morning, and as you can see, it's an absolutely gorgeous day. We're in the northwest of Cyprus, in the Palace of Vouni, overlooking fantastic scenery, and it's very, very quiet, apart from an army base where we can hear people firing shots. And if you look around, the sea is absolutely gorgeous, flat. It's a little bit cool, but lovely weather. Well, here we are in St Hilarion Castle. We are over 750 metres above sea level, and we've just come right away across the mountains behind us, right along the rather scary ledge, a track coming from the very far mountain to here, crossing some snow as well and some extremely steep sided hills. But anyway, we got to here, up on the castle, in the summer packed with tourists, now freezing cold and completely deserted.
One of the really nice things about Cyprus, one of the things that we've been enjoying while we're here, is the amazing walks that you can go on. We've been on a lovely beach walk, we've been on walks up into the mountains, and we've had a couple of walks around reservoirs. The first reservoir we went to only had a little bit of water in. This reservoir is completely empty. Cyprus is suffering a terrible drought over the last 4 years. So it's a shame that we've come here and there's no water, but it's still a lovely place. It's peaceful, and there's lots of birds, and it's just really nice to get away from it all.
Of course, for me, the most important thing of any holiday is the food. And here we have a typical Cypriot meal. Not dissimilar to Jordan. We have the hummus, and I think the yogurt. And then we've got here stuffed vine leaves, chips, of course, from the British influence. And I think these are kofta, and deep fried meatballs. And here we've got actually homemade bread. Bread's very common here in Cyprus. Homemade from the village. And of course, a glass of wine. So, cheers. So we've been in Cyprus, in northern Cyprus, for just over a week now, and we've travelled all over the area, and probably we're saving the best place till last. Here we are in Kyrenia, probably the gem of the north coast, and Kyrenia Harbour. It's a very, very old port, and behind me you can see the castle, which was originally built on foundations from the Romans, and so after the Romans there were the Byzantines, and subsequent to that Arabs, Venetians, British. It's been run by so many different people throughout the centuries, and of course, as usual, it's a glorious sunny day.
Müjde